Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the right way to update and upgrade Kali Linux without breaking your system. A lot of beginners make mistakes when upgrading, and I will walk you step by step through the correct commands. First, head over to your Kali Linux terminal. You can see my terminal here. Type this command first, sudo stu. You hit enter. They'll ask for your Kali Linux password. You should remember the password you used in logging in into your Kali Linux. I'm just going to type mine. Remember, nothing will display when you're typing. Now I have the root privileges. Go ahead to run this command. /etc/os-release. Hit enter. Now you can see the result. They give us the name, Kali Linux, version, ID. You see pretty much every information you need from here. Now, this shows the current version of Kali Linux, right? It's always good to know before you start doing any update or upgrade. After running this command, the next command we'll run is sudo apt update. This is to update the present packages that is already existing in your Kali Linux. There's a difference between update and upgrade. We're going to run both commands, but I just want you to understand that even before upgrading into, upgrading any tool, you need to run this command, sudo apt update, so that it updates the packages that are already available before you upgrading to the next version. So now we're just going to run this command, sudo apt update. You hit enter. You see, it's updating the packages we have in Kali Linux now. This might take some few seconds, minutes, depending on the speed of your network. Now you can see our update is complete. We have 160 packages can be upgraded. You now see here, right? So we have to run the upgrade command. The upgrade command, we have sudo apt upgrade. You can run sudo apt upgrade. I'm going to show you both commands. This upgrades the software you already have installed. You just upgrade it to a latest version. It won't remove anything major, so it's a safe step to start with. Let's run this sudo apt upgrade, and you just add this -y so that it accepts every step. Hit enter. This might really take some time. So you just have to be patient. This is not a full upgrade. Remember, we just did this command is just sudo apt upgrade -y. This upgrades the software you already have installed. It won't remove anything major, so it's a safe step, like I said. But we have another command, which is sudo apt full upgrade, like full -upgrade before -y, because Kali Linux is a rolling release, so new tools and kernel updates come frequently. This command performs a full upgrade, meaning it can remove old packages and install new ones, so your system stays fully up to date. But that takes a long time. Anytime you want to upgrade your packages, you have enough time. You can, instead of running just sudo apt upgrade -y, you run sudo apt full -upgrade -y. Yeah, so that it takes you, since you have enough time, it will take a lot of time to do the upgrade and updates. Remove packages that are not necessary and add the ones that you need. Now our upgrade is complete. Let me clear my screen. Okay, the next command we need to run now is a command to clean up the system. I've done the upgrade complete. We need to clean up our system, so I'll just type sudo apt autoremove. Remember, we are using apt packages. That's why you see we use sudo apt. We're using an Ubuntu machine which comes with apt packages, the Linux Ubuntu machine, right? So I'll just run this command with -y. It's cleaning up the system. This one is actually removing the packages we don't need, right? After this, we'll run another command that will auto clean the system. This might take a little time too. Now let's run the next command, sudo apt auto clean. Hit enter. Wow, that's everything is clean now. Next, we need to fix errors. Like this optional, you must not run this, but if maybe you were running any of these commands and you have an error, this is just for people, because not all machines will go as smooth as mine. So if you run into an error, you just need to run sudo apt -fix -broken install. You just run this command. You see, upgrading 0, installing 0, removing 0, because I don't have any broken links. But if you run this and you see any broken links, then you can just run sudo reboot. Even for those who have not seen any broken links, if you see any broken links here, after running this, it automatically going to fix it, and it will show you the number that has been fixed. Like the result will display here. So I'm having this result because nothing was broken from my end. So now I want to reboot the Kali machine. I'll just run sudo reboot, hit enter. You can see the Kali Linux machine is restarting, it's rebooting. So this is how easy it is for you to upgrade and update your packages. This is very important for you to know because Kali Linux updates almost every day, updates something, updates a tool almost every day. And if you run into one of the tools you're using and you're out of date, it will not perform as smooth as you will want it to. So always make sure every week you upgrade and update your system, or anytime you want to use Kali Linux, you should update and upgrade your system first before proceeding with your project. Thanks for watching, and if you love this video and want more videos like this, or if you want to break into cybersecurity or ethical hacking, this is the perfect channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification button so whenever I drop a video, YouTube will notify you. See you in the next video.